The following is a meditation on the RAIN technique. It is meditation for dealing with difficult emotions. RAIN is an acronym. R stands for recognize, A, allow, I, investigate, and N stands for non-identification and nurture. When we feel sad, lonely, afraid, or anxious, we can begin to feel like something has gone wrong. But viewed through a lens of mindfulness, feelings are natural, mentionable, and manageable. For this meditation, I'd like to invite you to move your hips all the way back to the seat of your chair and rest your spine against the support of the back of the chair. If you're sitting on the ground, make sure you have the support that you need to sit up with a straight spine. Take a deep breath in and let it go with a sigh. Relax the shoulders, soften the jaw, belly, the hands, and any other area of your body where you might be holding tension. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out any tension. Settling into presence with calmness and kindness. Breathing in and breathing out. Now call to mind a situation in your life that brings up challenging emotions. It could be something that's mildly irritating or something more difficult. But do not start with something that is too overwhelming or associated with trauma, as right now you're just learning to use mindfulness in this way. Allow the awareness of the situation to become vivid in your mind. Notice where you were when the emotions were triggered. Notice the people who you were with, or maybe you were alone. Notice any other details of the situation and the unpleasant emotions that arose. You might place your hands over your heart center and start with the R of RAIN. Recognize what you're feeling. You might be feeling angry or hurt. There might be fear or confusion or anxiety or disappointment. Take the time to name what you're feeling as accurately as you can. Really get it right. Naming it accurately can result in a great sense of relief. Oh, I'm disappointed. Or, of course, I'm afraid. Recognizing is about naming. And then, A is for allowing or acknowledging your emotion and yourself with kindness. Allow your feelings to just be as they are. Putting out the welcome mat for your feelings. Making space for what is here. You don't have to like it. It might not be pleasant, but you allow it to be here with you. You might take a deep breath as again you place your hands over your heart and say, loneliness, or fill in the blank, is just what wants to be here right now. Or sadness, or fill in the blank, is present right now. Relaxing with the feelings instead of resisting. And at this point we can move more easily into the I of RAIN. Investigate or inquiry What is the most difficult part of this? What's calling my attention? Noticing what's happening in your body. Is your body aroused and tense, tired and sluggish? Noticing the stories that you're telling yourself about the situation, about yourself, about the other person or people, about the feeling that you're having. Maybe you're feeling unacknowledged or misunderstood. Maybe you feel like you've failed in some way, or that you'll never be good enough, that you're unlovable, or you've been disrespected. Just a brief reflection can give you a lot of information. Paying attention to the places in your body that might be holding the story and the feelings. There might be tension, holding, and tightness. Allow yourself to consider if these stories are completely true. What else is true? What can my heart tell me about this situation and how I'm feeling? Breathing in and out of your heart center. Can you open your heart to the entire situation? Feel into it with your heart instead of your head. Feel the hurt. Allow it. Even welcome it and investigate how it feels in the body. Notice if there's some change in how you feel. And then move to the N of rain. Non-identification helps you to change how you view the feelings. Instead of I am angry, you might say, anger is passing through. Or instead of I am sad, there is sadness. Not attaching to the feeling as who you are, but as something fluid and changing. The N of nurture acknowledges the need to take care of yourself with compassion. Listening to the whispering of your heart that knows what you need to hear, to do, to say, or to remember. Connecting to the most loving and wise part of yourself. Bring your hands to your heart again and ask yourself, what would most serve me in this moment? What do I need to hear right now? What can I do to engage in some type of self-care? Moving, stretching, resting, a hot bath, lighting a scented candle, hugging your pet. Now, just resting in the heart space that is here right now. Breathing and feeling the spaciousness all around you and in you. Noticing any ways that the emotions might have shifted. Knowing that you can be with whatever emotions arise, that you are more than these shifting, changing emotions. Resting in awareness and love. And when you are ready, move the body in some way, stretching and shifting your position. Feel into the body. And gradually open your eyes to the outer world. Take a moment to reflect on your experience of rain and write down anything that you want to remember. Using rain on a regular basis in meditation or just reflection will help you learn to befriend the full range of emotions that we have as human beings. and connect to mindful, loving awareness. Be well and savor every moment.